Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DocuSign eSignature plans, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the DocuSign website by entering their URL in your browser. On the home page, locate the plans or pricing link, typically found in the top menu. Click on this link to view the available eSignature plans. Review the different plans presented. Compare features and pricing to find the plan that best suits your needs. Once you have made your choice, click on the Get Started or Sign Up button associated with your selected plan. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in the necessary details, such as your name, email address, and password. Ensure that your email address is valid, as you will need it for account verification. After filling in your details, read the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms if you are in agreement. Click on the Continue or Next button to proceed. You may be prompted to choose a subscription duration, such as monthly or annually. Select the billing option that fits your budget. Next, input your payment information in the designated fields. Verify that all information entered is correct before proceeding. Once you have confirmed your payment details, click on the Submit or Purchase button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your subscription was successful. Check your email for a confirmation message from DocuSign. Follow any further instructions provided in the email for account setup. Log into your new DocuSign account using the email and password you set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.